What's up, everybody? It's Hey John. I jab your opportunities nonstop. And in today's video, I will be covering cryptocurrency regulation with Elizabeth Warren. We will be seeing Jack Dorsey creating a hardware wallet for cryptocurrency. And of course, we'll be covering TikTok and their ban and all kinds of other news. So make sure you watch this video to its whole entirety so you know what's coming down. On Wednesday, Senator Elizabeth Warren of Massachusetts addressed a letter to Gary Gensler, the chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, calling for more crypto regulation. As demand for cryptocurrencies has grown in recent years, the amount of trading activity on cryptocurrency exchanges has also grown, particularly amongst the largest exchanges. Warren wrote, the increased use of cryptocurrency exchanges presents unique risk to consumers. Warren asked a series of questions on the matter and set a response deadline for July 28th. This means that we should watch out for July 28th to see what kind of questions will come up from this and what potential regulation can come from this. This will be a significant day of where cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum will be going into the future. On June 4th, Dorsey first mentioned that Square was considering making a hardware wallet. Yes, a custodial wallet where you are control of your cryptocurrency. And on Thursday, he confirmed that his financial services company is actually creating one. On Thursday, Jesse Dorogusker, hardware lead at Square, tweeted that the company has decided to build a hardware wallet and service to make Bitcoin custody more mainstream. Dorsey retweeted it saying, we're doing it, hashtag Bitcoin. Well, what does this all mean? Well, Jack Dorsey is the CEO of Square Company, and they are a financial payment company. And as you know, when you go into many little shops, they do, except Square, where you have an iPad tablet or a tablet, a little 3.5 millimeter dongle, and you swap your card, that is usually a Square device. And Square is in a lot of places, lots of shops know Square. So if Square does this, and they are going to do this, they will be increasing the adoption rate of cryptocurrency, I guess in this case of Bitcoin, exponentially. On Friday, the SEC charged 3 individuals with insider trading ahead of Long Island Iced Tea's rebranding to Long Blockchain in 2017. In its shift from a beverage company to a blockchain company, Long Blockchain's stock price soared. The SEC remained committed to preventing all types of fraudulent conduct in connection with purported crypto companies, including profiting from trading on material, non-public information, said Richard R. Best, director of the SEC's New York regional office. In a release, this isn't the first time the company has been involved with the SEC. Long Blockchain stock was delisted by the SEC in February. TikTok banned influencers from promoting financial services and products on its social media platform. The list of prohibited branded content includes loans and credit cards, cryptocurrency, pyramid schemes, and get-rich-quick schemes, among others. In the US, TikTok also prohibits ads promoting virtual currencies and cryptocurrencies, as well as cryptocurrency trading platform and advisory services, according to its website. Well, while TikTok does this, it is going to be very unpopular in the United States of America because, as you know, the United States is not banning cryptocurrency. However, they are looking into regulating cryptocurrency. The only question is how and when. China, on the other hand, are completely just banning it altogether, but they haven't really set a hard deadline, so we're still waiting for it to come. And of course, you know, TikTok is a Chinese company, so if they want to ban something, then obviously the government will have their say and their power to do it and to influence these companies to do it. Sotheby's sold a 101.38 carat pear-shaped diamond, and it was sold for $12.3 million in an undisclosed cryptocurrency. Before the auction, Sotheby's announced that it would accept Bitcoin or Ether as payment for the diamond. And you have to wonder now, who is paying for this diamond with cryptocurrency, right? Could this be one of these, I don't know, potential ransomware hackers trying to wash their money by trading one asset for another asset? Who knows, right? It could be just someone legitimately who had Bitcoin or Ethereum for a long time and they want to buy a very expensive diamond to have one asset to another asset. As you know, currently with cryptocurrency, it has been pulling back for some time, and it's unfortunate, and well, it be what it be. And I believe we are seeing another death cross on the Bitcoin charts. So this to me is going to be signifying some more downside in the days to come. Alrighty then, let's go ahead and cover the charts, okay? So you can see here that we're seeing a new moon, and I mentioned this in a few days ago when I covered the charts here. When you see a new moon, it usually means we're gonna start potentially moving down, and you can see here that on a daily, we are getting rejected off of the Agora reaction ribbon. Therefore, we are coming down because it is acting as a resistance. And currently in a downward channel, we are in the middle of the channel, which means you are in no man's land. What that means to me is that this is not the place where you want to buy or sell. This means this is where you want to just wait and hodl to see what happens. Because when you're in the middle, you can go up or down coin toss. And of course, when you're trading Dogecoin, the odds in your favor. And if you're in the middle, it's a 50-50 coin toss, right? To put it into a simple layman speak. So we can see here also on the Agora reaction ribbon here, getting rejection. And now we're seeing us trending down here. So we're seeing another cross here. So this means that we're going to see some more potential downside in the near term future. We cannot turn a blind eye to what's happening. If you do, then you may be setting yourself up for failure. On the 4-hour time frame, it's even more evident that we are still in the middle of the downward channel. Now, this is where you want to be careful of other influencers telling you, hey, we're going to the moon and yada, 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 right? Because obviously we're not. And when they say that, I think it's just clickbait, to be honest. So just be careful of the hype, okay? All right? You come to my channel, you get the truth, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And currently, we are in the ugly. It's unfortunate, but long term, I believe Dogecoin is still going to the moon. Short term, well, currently we have a rough patch. We have tons of regulation coming. We have tons of FUD. And as you know, it's summertime. So, and one more thing as well, the economy is opening up, so people are not as interested in cryptocurrencies because they want to be out and about and they want to enjoy and live their lives. So now for our time from here, we can see this kind of RSI type of indicator starting to reset up here. But in my opinion, we're still trading sideways into a downward channel. So even if it pops up, I don't see it going higher than around 22 cents, to be honest. I mean, could it go higher? Sure. I don't think so though. 22 cents has shown to be a very strong resistance. It was a support for many, many days, and now it's changed its course because the bears are in control. On the hourly time frame, right, you can see it's literally resetting here, right? Resetting, creating a hill type of formation. And I told you guys many times, when you see a hill, that isn't really a bullish sign. Could we test 22 cents in the days to come? Absolutely, we could. The only question is it going to be a test or a breakout? I suspect that we're going to tap it and get rejected because there just isn't enough momentum in the cryptocurrency market. There is too much uncertainty right now. For example, today we have a 5.4% CPI inflation rate here, right? And instead of Bitcoin and Dogecoin, everything going up, guess what? Gold and silver are going up. And cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Doge, and Ethereum, well, they're sinking because the truth is God's money has been here for over 5,000 years. And how do you think Bitcoin or Dogecoin can possibly compare? And by no means when I say this to you guys, am I trying to create FUD or anything, or the fact that I do not believe in Dogecoin or Bitcoin. What I'm saying is that when something has more validity and more history, well, guess what? In uncertain times, people will flock to that and not to that. But of course, Bitcoin and Dogecoin and Ethereum, they will be going through their own rough patch in the near term. So if they survive that in the future, the next time we have something that doesn't happen in say 20, 30 years or whatever, then that means that when you see similar information going again, that means people will flock to Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum and gold and silver. So just food for thought, okay? And of course, I thank you for watching my videos, and I will be catching you all on the next one.